Ayan, withdraw na naman tayo dito kay TikTok guys. Ayan, pa-follow naman yung aking ano dyan guys. Pa-subscribe guys. Oh. Ayan. And then dito tayo guys sa my earnings. Ayan, may earnings tayo ulit guys na 290. And click natin tong earnings dito guys. Oh. Ano, nakikita nyo ba tong earnings? Click. Ayan, meron po tayong 5,311. Ayan, directly withdraw po tayo guys. Oh. Ayan, oh. Then, withdraw balance. Manual withdrawal. Naka-manual po tayo guys. Ayan, antayin lang natin guys. Oh, nagre-reload eh. Ang hina yan oh. Tapos diretso, ayan oh, 10 pesos, 200,000 pesos. Ano, withdraw natin lahat. Ayan oh. 5,311. Ayan. Meron fee na 5 pesos. Ayan, 5,311. Ayan, withdraw now. Ayan oh. Ayan oh. Confirm all are correct. Confirm lang po natin guys. Ano, so yung ma-receive po natin ay 5,305.40 kasi meron po siyang fee na 5.60. So napakababa with confirm. Ayan o. Na confirm na withdrawal in progress. Fund should arrive in 1 business day. Ayan, so check natin sa GCash natin. Kasi napakabilis na rin po. Check natin kung nawala. Ayan o, diba? 0.99 lang. And bukas na naman guys, withdraw ulit tayo. Ayan o siya guys. Ang bilis talagang dumating yung withdrawal natin kay Lolo T guys. Thank you very much. Ayan o.